welcome back to my channel. This is a bit of a, I guess, Paige Evans haul. So I'm in part of her group. I'll link it down below. And she had this post that she says, out with the old, in with the new. And she was gracefully enough to offer us a certain cost, and it was $82 that I paid for right here of her product lines. And I got quite a bit. So I'm going to go through this. I wanted to show you. Everybody was asking me, like, have I gotten the box yet? What did I get? And I said, I'll do an unboxing. Because, one, I absolutely love her product. If you follow me long enough, you guys know that I absolutely love her stuff. And I could probably use it on almost every layout, but I don't. And, yeah, so I got 5 different collections, and the latest, I go from all the way to the latest one, all the way to one of her older 2 collections. So I didn't get very much of this particular collection. So this collection is called Take Me Away, and I got some of it, but not all of it. And I did still have some of the older chipboards and stuff left over, but I really got through almost all of this quite a bit when I did a scrapbook or like a mini album of my trip to New York. So I'm kind of glad that I got some of this back in. And here is Take Me Away. And this is page number 2. Page 4. Page 8. Page 9. Page 14. Page 8. Good wood grain. Page 15. I absolutely love this. Love this. And I love that Stuttgart's written right there. Page 22. Okay. And that is what I got for Take Me Away. Now, I went in, so Take Me Away was one of the older collections that I started to like her stuff. It wasn't that I didn't like her stuff in the beginning. It was, I didn't know about Fancy Free until it was too late. So Take Me Away, I got a little bit of it. But Oh My Heart is when I really got started into knowing, I'm like, okay, I'm going to watch for Paige Evans and this, that, and the other. And I changed a lot of my scrapbooking style around the 2015, 2016 era for me. And that's when I started the hip kits and all of that. And that's what really got me into liking Paige Evans' collection. So I never received this. So this is awesome. So this is like new to me. It's the Oh My Heart. It's the stickers. I never received this one. So that is pretty awesome. And the little alphas. And that's that. And then here are the pages. So page, I loved this collection. Loved it. So page 1. Page 5. Oh, this is Fussy Cut City. But then I really liked this back. I don't know what I'm going to do. And again, I never really got a lot of these. I got a lot of this in chipboard when for her chipboards, but I never got the page. And this, oh my Lanta. Oh. Page 8. Page 11. Page 14. I love this page too. Love it. Page 16. Page 17. Page 20. Page 22. Look at all these socks. Page 23. Look at those socks. Okay, so that is Oh My Heart. Now, the next one is Turn the Page. Now, Turn the Page, I think, honestly, this was the one that I got the full collection of. So, it's the Turn the Page. It's got all of the papers, or the embellishments in it. And then the stickers. Okay, and then she gave me quite a bit of the paper this time. So, page 1, page 2, and I absolutely love, I will state this, I'm loving that they finally started putting the collection name on the bottom. Page 3, oh, Fussy Cut City. Page 4, page 5, page 6, oh, fussy cut again. I could like fussy cut all of these out and put them on a layout for my coffee. Page 7, page 9, page 10, page 11, page 12, page 13, page 14. Look at all these hearts. I could fussy cut every last one of these out. Page 15, 16, 17, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, and 24. Okay, so that is all for Turn the Page. Now, Pick Me Up. I have to say that this is, I still have quite a bit, but I have a couple things I didn't get. So I didn't get the letters, the alphas, which is nice because I like these numbers. These will work perfect in like my bullet journaling. So I'm glad I got those. Those will go in with my planner making stuff. And then I never received this for Pick Me Up. I did get it for Turn the Page, and I do like the washi tape style, but I just never, I tend to forget about it because I'm not a washi tape person, but I'm glad that I got it because it's awesome and I can't wait to use it. Okay. And then I got these back in. I think this is like my 4th collection of these. I think this is like my 4th time. And I think I still even have a bunch of this left. I'm at 4 on this one. I'm pretty sure of it. And this, I swear, I don't think I can ever get rid of this. I absolutely loved it. I've already done a layout with one of them. And this is my 3rd acetate for this one. So I've got to figure out what I'm going to do with the other 2.5 because the other one I cut in half and put I got to figure out what else I'm going to do. So this is my 3rd one of that. And I got all of them in kits. That's the kicker was I didn't even personally purchase it. It came in kits. So here are the papers for Pick Me Up. So page 3. Look at all of those. I could totally cut those up. Page 4. Ooh, look at that ombre. Maybe not. Page 5. Page 7. Page 9. I absolutely love this. Doesn't bother me that there's a stroller. The pregnant woman. Don't bother me at all. I'll figure it out. I don't even have dogs. But I could definitely do something about it. And I do like this page. So this definitely could do something for me. Oh, I could definitely see me cutting this up. Page 10. Ooh, pretty. 11. 12. 13. 15. 18. 19. 21. And 23. So that is all of the papers for Pick Me Up. Now the last collection that I got was her second to newest collection because Whimsical just came out in October timeframe. And I'm ecstatic for this. I cannot wait to receive Horizon. But I'm ecstatic that I got some more of this product as well. So Whimsical, I've never purchased these personally. It's not that I don't want to use them. It's just, I just never thought to know what to do, but I'm definitely going to try a couple of different things with this. But, so I got the swatch books for Whimsical. I got the hearts, which you saw me use this in a collection already. I ended up getting like just a slice of these things. And now I got more of it. I think it was down the middle like this. So now I got more of that in. So that's nice. And then the chipboard for Whimsical, which this is probably number 2 or 3 in my pile. I told you, I do like Paige's stuff once I have gotten her collections. They all mix and mingle together, but I absolutely love her style. I love what she's done with them. And here are her alphas. And here is the overlay. I think this is my second one or third one. Not quite sure, but it's either 2 or 3 I've got of this. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do with this too. And here, last but not least, the papers. So this one is a little bit less. Her pick-me-up is the bulker, the biggest, I guess, of the collections that I got, which I'm just grateful that I got all of it because it brings me back to using some of my other ones, as well as the fact that I got some of the newer ones too, and I don't have to worry about buying them individually either. And the reason why I did up Paige's, like what she did with the old, or out with the old, in with the new, is I love her style, and it makes it easier for me to just get in what I like because I use it a lot more as well. So here's page number 2 for Whimsical. Number 4. Number 5. 7. God, this is gorgeous. 8. 10. 12. 13. 16. Gorgeous. 18. 20. 22. And last but not least, 24. So this is, like I said, this is everything that I got. This was $82. And that, I'm assuming, it also included the shipping as well to me. But she's here in the States, so it makes it a little bit easier. This is everything that I got. That's quite a bit for $82. I think it's perfect. I absolutely love it. Thank you, Paige, for doing this in your group. I will link the group and her YouTube channel down below if you're not sure who Paige Evans is. And watch later on in my channels. Obviously, I do use a lot of her stuff more spring and summer versus maybe the winter. So you will see more come from me, and look out for Horizon soon to be on my channel as well. And I will talk to you soon. Bye!